Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a fun, bright, and sunny eye look using the beautiful Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. I know that this is extremely expensive. I buy mine on Mercari or Poshmark, which is like a secondhand store site app, which is like a secondhand app where if people want to sell their gently used palettes and products, they can. I sanitize it myself. So I never pay full price because these I know are pricey, but I know there are so many dupes out there. There's the Sephora Pro Warm Palette, which is a dupe for this. There's a ColourPop palette, which also has similar shades. So if you don't have this palette, there are so many out there that are similar. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look using this palette, then just keep watching. So let's jump into this tutorial. I have already prepped my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and then I set it with a little Mana Kadar Beauty HD Perfecting Powder, which I believe I received in like an Ipsy or BoxyCharm or something, and it's almost gone. It is a good one. So the first thing that I did is I took a blending brush. This one is the Wet n Wild blending brush, and I went into this color right here. It's like a matte pink, and I am just gonna buff it all over the crease and above the crease, just kind of for a good transition shade. Next, I took a little of this shimmery color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. I don't usually use shimmer shades in my crease, but this color was calling to me, and I thought that it would make things easier to blend later on. It's really, really gorgeous. Then going with this matte brown here, I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. And then taking a flat shader brush, this is the Party Queen Short Shader. I'm going to dip into this beautiful like tangerine color. These oranges are just stunning, and I'm going to put that all over the lid.
With these glitter shades, I find that they apply best sometimes with the finger than with a brush.
Okay, then I'm going back in with my blending brush into that dark brown, and I'm just going to deepen up that very outer portion so it looks like they're blended together. And then I am taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to dip back into that pink and just soften up the edges out here. And then I'm going to take a, what's this one called? I don't know, it's like a little pointy definer brush, and I'm going to go into the darkest black and just line up my lash line just for some definition. So this is what the top lid looks like, all done. I'm gonna hop off camera, do my face, and I'll be back to show you the lower lash line. Okay, so my face is a bit bronzed, so let's go to the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna take the Bella and Bear Marbled Cat. It's like a short shader brush. I'm gonna go into the pink, and then the orange, and then the brown's kind of the same that I did with the top. then I'm going back in with that little flat brush and I'm going to run that dark brown right along my lash line on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so we've got that smoky look going. I'm gonna hop off, add some mascara, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look using the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. Absolutely beautiful, amazing quality. I cannot say enough about these Natasha Denona palettes. They're expensive, which is why I get them secondhand and then sanitize them myself. But they are beautiful. I absolutely love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial for this kind of bright, sunny look using the Sunset Palette. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.